everyone! Welcome to my channel! First, I'll clean my hands with my face cleanser to remove any excess oil. Today, my nails are already painted black. I'm excited to add some charming Christmas decorations. My friend gifted me a lot of glitter, which brings the holiday spirit to mind. So let's create a sparkling Christmas nail design. Next, I'll apply a thick, white gel using a sponge to achieve a soft white gradient resembling snow. Before curing the top layer, I'll sprinkle on the glitter.